Wake up, Mr. Green. You don't know, you'll deny it exists until it's too late. It's the reason you rise when the alarm bell screams. The reason you crawl through the boss's regime. Blood on the knuckle, sweat in the tie, all for a mirror that says you're the guy. You want them to know how brilliant you are. Attractive, generous, destined for stars. Fear me or revere me, but make it clear. Just tell me I matter, just tell me I'm here. We share addiction, approval disease. Slap on the back puts the ego at ease. Gold watch, glitter, hip hip hurrah. Clever boy polishing who he thinks he are. Badge on the chest, trophy in hand. Monkey in a suit, trying to command. The greatest enemy hides in the last place you'd ever look. Inside your books. Inside your book. Wake up, Mr. Green. Yeah, shine on your crazy diamond light. Reflection we rehearsed in a stranger's eye. We beg to be special, we beg to be seen. Architects building a fragile self-esteem. Chessboard logic laid with schemes. Moves inside silent dreams. Sharks in suits with strategic smiles. Divorce and deception in mirror trials. War cannot be avoided, only delayed. And always to your opponent's game. History whispered that truth in flame. Niccolo carved it into the game. Dead man cannot be killed again. Fear dissolves when there's nothing to defend. Greed is a serpent you cannot charm. It calls in thought before it harms. It speaks in hunger dressed as need. Feeds on ego, grows from greed. Wake up, Mr. Greed. Wake up. The mind plays tricks with mirrored intent. The ego screams I am heaven sent. But every move that you think is free was calculated by identity. The enemy smiles with your own face. Strategic patience, perfect pace. You fight the world, you blame the fear, but the war is waged behind your shield. The greatest enemy hides in the last place you'd ever look. Behind your pride. Inside your